In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the color of an object in a photo so that it matches your brand colors. Now, this image I'm using here is from the membership site Stocklane. This is one of Muriel's holiday collection images, and I absolutely love it. But the red ornaments don't quite match my brand. So what I want to do is adjust the color of these ornaments to be the rust brown color red that I use in my own brand. So let's get started. Now, first thing you want to do is use the object selection tool, and we're going to select each of these ornaments. And then on your Mac, you just hit Shift to add selections, and then hit Option to remove any things that you selected. All right, once you have all of the items that you want to change the color of selected, you go ahead and create a group over here and then add a mask to it. So as you can see, we're only working on the ornaments that we've selected. So now we're going to do a solid color fill layer. So click Layer, let's see, Solid Color. And then add the color that you want your objects to be. So this is my brand color that I'll be using, kind of a rust brown sable color. Hit OK. We're obviously not done yet because now these look flat, kind of like a cartoon. We need to add some dimension to them. So we're going to use the blend layers here. And then I go all the way down and we'll either choose hue or color. In this case, I'm going to go with color. So this is looking pretty good right now, but if you need to make any additional adjustments, you can add an additional levels layer. And then if you wanted to brighten anything up, you could just drag the sliders over here. Go and darken it. I'm just going to leave everything kind of as is. So there you have it, a super quick 2-minute tutorial on how you can adjust the colors in a stock photo to match your brand images.